G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanis 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we sailed out across the bay to find a really nice spot where we could just anchor up and have a swim. Join us now as we swim in these beautiful waters and then have a terrific sail all the way back across the bay. We really hope you enjoy the episode. Thanks, guys. Got the beanbag out. Not a bad spot to sit today, and Gav's doing the walk up and back for these fuel containers. I'm not able to do it with this knee. I don't have as much stability when it's rocky like this. But getting there, 3 weeks post surgery now, so getting some strength back. I'm going to do a fuel top up because we're not allowed in the marina, are we?
No. So we'll do it in the national park.
Gav getting there, doing the fuel top up. It's a bit rocky here today because we've got an easterly blowing on us, haven't we? Good chance to show you our big Lazarettes. They're very, very big. So, look at that. That's the starboard side. And yeah, that's the spot we'll be putting our dive compressors in one of these Lazarettes as well once we get it. So it'll be all set up for diving here. We can fit all our tanks there and everything, dive gear, and we've got the freshwater shower on the transom that we can use to rinse the gear off when we finish. So it's really well set up to be a to dive from. But we'll get her all fueled up, ready in case we can't get the sails up all the way back. I wasn't ready for the current when I got jumped in, and being able to kick with one leg gave me a fright. Jumped in and I went straight off the side of the boat.
Yeah.
Now I've got to figure out how to get up. Oh, that was nice. I didn't realise there was a big current going sweeping on across the back of the boat, and I just jumped in and went and haven't got much power in that left leg post surgery, so gave me a little fright getting back to the ladder. But anyway, it was all good. But nice off the back of the boat, which is what we came out here to do, have lunch and have a swim. It's pretty nice, really nice. I don't know if we've shown a lot of the back here what it's like, but we've got a big transom there. You can see how big it is, like I'm sitting in the middle, and then the steps there, and then there's a ladder down into the water there. So yeah, it's beautiful, and the water's so clear today. Like, look at that, it's lovely. It's nice and refreshing off the back there. Beautiful. A little bit of leftover Christmas stuff for lunch that I threw in this morning. There. Try and get rid of everything that we shouldn't be eating. It's counterintuitive, but it's always how it works. We've had a swim, and we've had lunch, and we've had a relax, and gonna head back out into the bay and see if we can get some sails up. We're up.
Huh?
Is it going out or in?
It's going
out. Okay, yeah, it's fine now.
Hello, it's done. You can just let it go, don't have to do anything.
So Gav's got the head sail out and the engine's off. This is our head sail up. You can see that our head sail is really big. It comes more than halfway down the boat. So we can get quite a bit of speed out of having just the head sail, which is handy since we've got to get the issue with our main furler sorted. So, but it's huge, this head sail. How fast are we going?
4.5.
4.5 knots. That's not bad. give us an update on what's happened?
Or speed wise.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't got much wind. We've only got 3 knots of wind and we're doing 2.8 knots. So we guess that's 6 knots of wind and we're doing 3.
So ETA to get home?
Tomorrow, maybe the next day. We'll chuck the engine on. We've got plenty of time, so we'll probably chuck the engine on in a minute and we'll cruise 5-6 knots all the way home.
So we just jibed and you can see that we're not going very fast at all. So looking good. Not moving very fast. Not as fast as this guy. But it's a lot cheaper for us than what it is for him. He's chucking hundreds of dollars in with every, you know, kilometre, nautical mile. Sails are in. Engine's back on again. We were doing 2 knots.
2 knots in 4.
2 knots in 4 though, so you know what I mean. Pretty happy with that. But yeah, we put the engine on so we can get back, and yeah, looking really good. Got a little bit of sailing in today, so that's good. Weather's lovely. And we're salty, so it's a successful day.
Sometimes I play it safe, and you can see it. It's easy for me to show, but sometimes I'm really brave, and that just means that I'll try again tomorrow. It's my dark created mountains where the valleys used to be. Gotta change perspective if I really want to see that sunrise over the water. I swam over and under, get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no. When life hit me apart, I went faster and farther. I just gotta remember I was made for this. Let them take me as far as they want to go. And it's time for me to say, they won't break me, I'm braver than I know. It's my dark created mountains where the valleys used to be. Gotta change perspective if I really want to see it. Sunrise over the water, I swam over and under, get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no. When life hit me harder, I went faster and farther. I just gotta remember I was made for this. Oh, such a time as this. I was made for this. It's my doubt creating mountains where the valleys used to be. And all the things I thought I knew were changing like the seas. Yeah, but I have overcome it all and I'm still here.
Springs on.
back line. I'll just pull it up. Just hold on.
Do you want me to pull?
No, no. Right.
No, I can't get it yet.
That's it.
No, I can't get it on, babe.
At the front.
Hey?
Ready?
Yeah,
Go.
got it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the episode, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and of course, hit that subscribe button. I'm really excited about the next few episodes. We take off in some really rough weather, get that tow rail down in the water with the boat on a really, really big heel, but we end up in one of the most beautiful places we've ever anchored, surrounded by dolphins and turtles. You don't want to miss this one. See ya!